Working at Tweed Shire Council is a dynamic place to work. There's always lots of fun stuff happening. There's always something to challenge you. It's never a dull moment.
I absolutely love that I get to do lots of different jobs all in the one day. Always on my feet, not always sitting at a desk.
Each day is a completely different day, and the people that I work with are fantastic and we all get along very well.
Yeah, the culture at Tweed Shire Council is a really collaborative, nice place to work. Everybody's very easygoing but genuinely care.
I love dealing with my staff. I have a great support team around me.
We have a strong team, and we also have, I would say, cutting-edge infrastructure.
Being able to come to work, train, get a qualification and potentially have a full-time job is amazing.
I think one of the best things about Tweed Council, they really support professional development and personal development, and that's a really strong area.
And also the study opportunities. They've been there, I've embraced them and I've appreciated it.
If someone wants to do something and have a career-based job, I think council will be a place for them to do it.
And the Tweed living, working here is just amazing. Looking at Mount Warning, it's seeing the beautiful beaches.
Here it's a 5-minute trip to the beach or a 10-minute trip out to the rainforest, so it's a wonderful part of the world.
Just a big, great, wonderful place to live.
The lifestyle, it's just stunningly beautiful. Shire Council are really family friendly and they've allowed me to do a flexible work arrangement so that I can support my family.
If everyone has a sense of community that we actually all help each other out when we need to.
I think that helps with the flexibility because we've all got children and other things going on and we can all help each other out.
The flexible work hours has served me well throughout the years, particularly raising a young family.
Like you can build a career, you can still develop professionally, but you get to go home to such a beautiful place. You get to spend weekends like you're on holiday.
If you're thinking about going for a job at Tweed, don't hesitate. It's one of the best decisions you can make.